let's find us a new project for this week. And it's clay sculpting. Okay. I have this self-hardening clay, air dry clay, and I saw some amazing cute ABC letter flower boxes on the internet, and I was trying to figure a way out to do this. They were really cute, and I had this silicone mold, so I just went for it. By the way, sometimes it's good to not know what's coming for you with this project. If I knew then what I knew now, well, you'll see. I then had a lot of problems with the clay. I was using also water, but the clay was so crackling. There was no chance to do anything. Here I was trying flower petals, which didn't work out. Here I put some more water on the clay, but as you can see, it started to crack everywhere and rip off, and it just didn't work. I don't know if it's the clay or it is me. It's probably me. I was trying this technique where you roll out a long stripe and then you turn it around inside itself and it gives a petal, but there was no way this was going to work. It just cracked right away. I don't know what I did wrong exactly. As I said, I don't know if the clay is bad or if I did something wrong. If you make projects with dry clay, can you tell me in the comments what I did wrong? This would be amazing. I then had the idea of some small succulent plants, the one with the long green leaves. So I was making a bunch of them. On the left you can see a few of the failed tries I had when I tried some flowers. By the end I was quite through with the whole thing, and I decided to make pebbles. One of the only things that worked for me. It was time to remove the clay out of the mold. I let it dry for like 24 hours. Here's what I learned. I only got 3 letters out without breaking them, and I wasn't thinking through that I would have them on the wrong side. You can see here the letter E broke. So this method will only work with letters that are the same on both sides. I did try to power through. I put some pebbles inside the silicone mold and throw in some acrylic paint with mixing them so they got a coat of light green. This worked pretty well. It didn't coat everything, but at this point I was happy with every small win I got. Here's the dark green. And I really tried. These were the only letters that survived. As you can see, they're on the wrong side. The glue that I used was the only one I had at the moment. It soaked through everything, and especially it soaked through the acrylic, so the green started to move over to the gray and didn't even stick to it. So at this point I gave up. I was through with it. It didn't work, and that's okay. Sometimes it is like that, but at least now I know. I tried it and I'm glad that I did. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!